Hello, Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm welcoming you yet to week three of the Power Apps Africa Challenge. It has always been an exciting moment to converge on, during the Power Apps Africa Challenge show. And this is the third time we're doing this weekly series, helping you to catch up with things you need to know, what you are missing in case you are not participating yet, and of course, bring to your awareness amazing things and offers that are there for you so that you don't miss them because you are not aware. Okay, I'm not just here alone today. I have with me my co-host, and I'm going to bring it up Omolola first to say hi to everyone. Hi, Omolola.
Hello, Africa. Hello, Ola. It's so amazing to be here again in this beautiful afternoon. And we are in week three. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be here again.
Awesome. I also have with me David Abu of Microsoft. Hello, David.
Hi, Africa. Thank you for joining in the third week, which has been amazing planning from the beginning, and it has just been very great to see you guys participate in the African Power Apps Challenge 2022. Hi, Ola. Hi, Omodola.
Awesome, awesome. So thanks, David. And just before we move forward, we want to say thank you to the Power Apps Africa 2022 partners. We have the Deep Brand Consulting, Reliance Infosystems Limited, Fastlane, we have Computer Revolution Uganda, we have Computer Revolution Africa Group, Technology Redefined. Thank you everyone, for supporting and making sure and helping us to catch up with everything and having a smooth event so far. So now we're going to move straight to updates, what you've been waiting for this very week, starting with the overview first, and I'm going to be asking David Abu, to share, what is happening on the leaderboard. But before I call on David to share with us, which team are performing, what is happening on the leaderboard, I would like to also highlight that we have 31 countries that are currently participating, and that is huge. 31 countries in Africa, and this is an opportunity for you to compete for your country or for your favorite partner organization. Go Team Nigeria, go Team Nigeria, those kind of spirit, David. And 15 missions already released. So your first mission for week three is actually live as well. Five missions this week, but 15 missions has been released. So in case you're just joining, please go ahead. Go and start your mission and make sure you complete them and earn your coins and earn the reward. We already seen participation level, leveling up every day. All the participants are getting closer and closer to the top level. Today's community challenge in the user group as well, in case you are not actively participating in challenge but you want to be part of the community user group. Today's challenge is starting now, which is job start, and it's going to end tomorrow's evening. The price, I won't tell you now. Let David share with us what is happening on the leaderboard. Then we'll come back and tell you what prize you get to win when participate in the community user group. By the way, I'm not even going to tell you the price. I will transfer it to Omodola. Omodola will break it to us and tell us exactly what price you get to win and which of our partners is sponsoring that prize. Over to you, David. What's happening on the leaderboard? Tell us.
Yeah, the leaderboard has been magnificent because a whole lot of people has been pushing their team to get to the top. Right now we have the Nigerian 5 group that is leading the team, and the average score per member is 94,059. That is a whole lot.
Wow.
And we're going to the second team, which is the Kenya 3. So it means that definitely Nigerian 5 are Nigerians, then Kenya 3 are the Kenyans. And that is cool because it means that different countries are actually coming in to make sure they get to the top. And so seeing my Kenyan brothers and sisters at the second position with 74,348 average score per member, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Then we go to the Nigerian 6 as the third position. So right now, it means that we have two Nigerian teams actually in the top 3, and the Nigerian 6 have 71,524 average score per member. And that is really beautiful. We also, for the top 4th and 5th position, we have the Reliance Infosystem 1 and the Nigerian 2. So good job, everybody that are currently at the top leaderboard. but you should definitely know that we still have 1 more week, and anybody can leapfrog anybody. So you have to make sure that your team is at the top of their game for the next 1 week. And I can't wait
Wait,
to see. Hi.
David, are you saying my team is not on the leader top five on the leaderboard?
You don't have a team. Do you have a team?
Team Ghana. Where's my people from
Okay, so definitely let's see if the Ghanaians can pull off a surprise and the next 5 days. It's possible. The major thing is that one thing that Power Platform has been able to do for you is to do things effortless. That is why I'm wearing the shirts today. Effortless. So you need to be able to do things effortless using Power Platform or the local development. And so please make sure that you and your teammates are actually able to improve on their game. And before you know, you guys are actually in the top. We can't wait to see what all of you will do using even the local tools and also the teams that will win. Over to you, Ola.
Yes, David. I agree so much with you. When you're developing with Power Apps, everything is beautiful and effortless. So, what do we have in the community challenge this week? So, basically, in the community challenge that will be ending tomorrow evening, we have the Jumpstart Cloud Skill Challenge. And anytime I hear challenge, I hear prizes. So the prize that you will be winning in the community challenge user group, you know the link to that already, which is the aka.ms/Power Apps Africa. The prize, drum rolling, is SweatShirt, and this SweatShirt is from Reliance Info System. I wish I am actually participating so I can, win this cool shirt and wear it for conferences, and all of that. Over to you, Ola.
Cool sweatshirts sponsored by Reliance Info System for those winners. This to me, I feel like I'm feeling cold right here, and I feel like I'll have one, to put on myself. So, guys, don't miss out on this. And please, I see a lot of comments. I'm trying to also highlight those comments, on LinkedIn. Feel free to introduce yourself. Tell us again where you're joining from. We're always happy to have, KL brothers and sisters joining us, Ghanaians. I can see my Ghanaian brother and sister. We are not on the leaderboard yet, on the top five. Let's do this. If you're watching this video, if you're getting to watch it anytime, I want you to go back, encourage, let's support Team Ghana. We're actually in the World Cup. Even though I'm reporting Nigeria, I hope Nigeria will not kick me out and send me to Ghana. But just to let you know, you guys, I'm with you, and I'm rooting for you guys. Okay, so now let's move to the next topic right here, which is the live event we have this very week. So there's a live event. This is one. We're going to have a catch up on Friday, but beyond that, on 23rd of this week, which is Wednesday, 10 a.m. Nigerian time, so 10 to 11, we're going to have a live session on digital transformation with Power Platform. I don't want you to miss it because it includes question and answer. In case you're wondering, how can I transform my organization? Or I work here, how can I bring more value? With the less weeks, we have for the year, how can I still bring value to them? Attend this session, you learn. In case you're wondering, I'm learning this Power Platform, what are the kind of use cases I can work on? You actually learn this by coming here and listen from to this industry experts. Who are the speakers? We have Abdullahi Adeyemi and Adewumi Adeniyon. They're actually business applications developer who consult for organizations and also build solutions. So they have various experiences and use cases to share with you to help you see what you can do and deliver in your organization. In case you miss attending this live event, you can actually watch the recordings on the user group. What is the link to the user group? If you know the link, drop in the, there's already an expo here, but I won't tell you again. Just drop in the comment section. What link will take you to the user group, where you see the access to all the sessions we've had. And in case you even miss this one, you can always catch up there. Don't forget, the user group is not just for catching up with, missed events. If you have any question, right there, ask. It's a community and the activities going on there. Now I'm going to move to, game highlights. What is the highlight for this week? What are we looking up to, in the Power Apps Africa Challenge this week? I will be transferring that to Omolola. Just give us the game highlight for this very week, Omolola.
Thank you so much, Ola. So the game highlights for this week, we have new missions. 5 new missions are coming on Centrical this week. And like I said, anytime you hear missions, anytime you hear challenges, what do you hear? You hear coins, you hear swags, you hear gifts. Okay, so we have opportunity to earn lots of points and coins. So you want to push Ghana forward, come and do this. You want to push Africa, you want to push Nigeria, you should participate in these 5 missions that are coming on Certificate this week. Now, what do we have today? So I want to break down what we have this week to what we have today. Today's mission is for you to practice, because you know that practice makes perfect. So we want you to practice all these skills, and basically what we'll be looking at is practice makes perfect about non-profit, and this is going to include a video about getting certified. So you want to know more about certifications, then you should join today's mission. Also, we want you to catch up on all your other missions. If you have missions that you have not done, it is not a bad time for you to actually go and catch up on all of this mission. Also, engage with your coaches as much as possible. I'm opportune to be a coach here, and I send messages to people in the Nigerian 20. We are not yet part of the leaderboard, but we are coming for you. Nigerian 20, you will see us there. All right. So we want you to engage with your coaches. Why? Because this is an opportunity for you to actually network. And also, we have daily announcements in Centrical. Join your go to Centrical, click, look at the dashboard. We have messages that are there for you. There will also be messages in your email. So just go there, go to your mailbox and check. You have electronic mail from us. And also in the user group, you already know the link to the user group by now, aka.ms/what? /Power Apps Africa. That is the link to the user group, and all the Centrical, your email, and the user group, you have messages there. So check them to see who is winning. So you want to see, am I winning? What am I winning? Go there and check. You also have tips for today's mission there. So go to your mail, go to Centrical, go to the user group and check. And also invitations to the live event, all this live event that Ola has mentioned, invitations to this live event will be there. So go and check, and that will be all from my end. Over to you, Ola.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Amodola, for the breakdown. And just before I call on David Abu to tell us, let's look ahead. What do we look up to in the coming days, and also way beyond this very week? I just want to announce this, that registration is still open. So meaning, if you want to participate and you are wondering, I want to join, I would like to be part of the game. Yes, we have a module that can now help you now, a framework that can help you to see, participate and have this gamified learning experience. So don't waste your time. Jump on the link and register. You're wondering, how do I get to register? This is it. ak.ms/PAC. It closes today. I want you to call it now to ak.ms/PAC and register to join. And don't forget, the community link is always displayed right here. And David, let's look forward, looking ahead. What do we have in stock? Feel free, share with us. Hello, David.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Okay. Obviously, there's some technical challenge.
Can you hear me now?
I
I'm
can
actually
hear.
here. Can you hear me?
I can hear. Can you hear me?
Okay, so kind of a little bit of challenge, same way. But hopefully, if you can hear me, looking ahead, we're looking at the next week. What are the things that we're going to be achieving in this next 1 week? And we have so many exciting things that we also don't want the fun to end. We have added extra days to the challenge, so you now have until the midnight, December 1st, to finish all mission, all complete all mission on or before December 1. And it's so important. Why it's so important is because every point that you're going to achieve or every point that you're going to accumulate will need to be credit, we need to be calculated immediately after December 1. And when we count those points, the top scorers are invited for the app builder finals. So it's so important that you finish the challenge on or before the 1st of December. And the better it is that you have to finish earlier than others so that you are at the top. So if you don't get to the top, then there are going to be some issues. So just make sure that you finish all your mission. Is so important. And the final starts December 2nd, and it's going to last for the next 7 days. And if you want to compete in the finals, you have to complete your mission and earn as much points as you can. And that is how we are going to choose who move on to the major final, where we are going to build all that things. So it's so important. And so if you want to get to the top, make sure you finish it. So looking forward is so important for us, which is we want to, if you've not started any Evo mission at all, you have the next 2 weeks to make sure you finish it. And if you are started, you are in just 20%, make sure, like Omolola said, make sure you finish it up and you join others where they are now. And if you're back to back with everything that we have been doing so far, then please continue and put pressure in it. Put pressure and make sure that you get the best out of Power Platform so that you can build application effortlessly. So thank you. Over to you, Imboke.
Thank you very much, David, the son of Abu. And right now we're going to move forward by, just once again giving a shout out to our partners again. We can't thank you enough. And I would like to, give a spotlight again. Deep Brown Consulting, Computer Revolution CRU, Uganda, Reliance Infosystem Limited, we have Computer Revolution Africa Group, Technology Redefined, and Fast Lane. We thank you very much for your support in helping build the technical skills in Africa as comes to Power Apps Africa Challenge. Don't forget, you should be applying the knowledge you're gaining. And if you have any questions, anything to troubleshoot, the Power Apps Africa user group is there for you. The link is very easy. You can even sleep and and still visit the site aha.ms/Power Apps Africa. That is the word there. And for me, I'm going to say thank you once again for joining us. We will say bye for now. But any final word from you, Omolola?
Yes, thank you so much, Ola, for that question. And so I would just like to say, take advantage, Africa. This is a beautiful opportunity for you to gain all the skills that you need. And as a Power Platform consultant, I will tell you that these skills are over relevant. All right. So take advantage, and take advantage. Thank you so much, Ola.
Right. And from each and every one of us, we would like to say bye-bye for now. And this is us waving our hands to you.